Welcome to the Daily Scoop, your ultimate source for the latest tech news. Today, we have some exciting updates from Apple that are set to transform the way we interact with digital content in the physical world. Let's dive right in. In a recent development, Apple has unveiled its groundbreaking visual search capabilities for the cutting-edge Vision Pro headset. This revolutionary feature empowers users with the ability to access information about various items, interact with real-world text, translate between languages, and more. With real-time text translation and the ability to seamlessly act upon contact information, web pages, and unit conversions, the Apple Vision Pro headset promises enhanced productivity and convenience. Equipped with Apple's visionary operating system, Vision OS, the Vision Pro headset takes spatial computing to new heights. By seamlessly blending digital content with the physical world, this innovative device opens up a world of endless possibilities for developers to create immersive app experiences. The infinite canvas provided by Vision OS serves as a vast platform for creativity and innovation. To enable developers to unleash the full potential of the Apple Vision Pro, Apple has introduced advanced tools and technologies. The Vision OS Software Development Kit (SDK) equips developers with powerful capabilities to craft immersive app experiences across various categories, including productivity, design, and gaming. In addition, Apple plans to establish developer labs in multiple global locations, such as Cupertino, London, Munich, Shanghai, Singapore, and Tokyo, offering hands-on experience and support from Apple engineers. Developers can also apply for developer kits to expedite the development, iteration, and testing of their apps directly on Apple Vision Pro hardware. What sets Apple Vision Pro apart is its seamless integration with familiar frameworks from other Apple platforms. Developers can leverage the power of Xcode, SwiftUI, RealityKit, ARKit, and TestFlight to harness the groundbreaking features of Apple Vision Pro. The Reality Composer Pro tool available with Xcode allows developers to optimize 3D content for Vision OS apps, ensuring visually stunning experiences. Furthermore, developers can explore and test their apps in the Vision OS simulator, which simulates different room layouts and lighting conditions. Accessibility features are integrated into every developer framework to ensure inclusivity for all users. Excitingly, Unity developers will soon be able to seamlessly port their 3D apps and games to the Apple Vision Pro, taking advantage of its powerful capabilities. With the updated Vision OS SDK, Xcode, Simulator, and Reality Composer Pro, members of the Apple Developer Program can dive into the world of spatial computing and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Stay tuned to the Daily Scoop for the latest updates on technology, gadgets, and innovations. Thank you for watching.